and I got a good parking spot. Look at that. Can you believe this? I hope you're having fun. Film at 11.
I'm not wearing any pants. Film at 11.
Hey, I was watching TV on Fox News, and then they showed OB. And I showed my friends about it. I showed them the picture. They go, well, it's a sign from God. It's meant to be. So I came down here. Look at the parking spot I got with my bus.
Beautiful spot.
I got a curious question. Can I spend the night in my bus if I can?
So this parking lot is closed. I think it's from 2 to 4.
Okay. Can you believe the spot I got? I could be here till 2 in the morning.
So you went in with this vice president guy that nobody.
I'm having fun in OB.
I can promise you this. When Vice President Harris and I win this election, we'll have your back just like you've had ours.
The vice president has changed your position on fracking in Pennsylvania.